first.
Well, I didn't look at it. I didn't even look at
Shut up.
What is your name, sir?
What's your name?
Calm down. All right. Now, TJ and Ryan, what you're going to do is you're going to use the flat part of your arm, and you're going to come all the way up here. And that way we don't put undue stress on his rotator cuff. You're going to take your other hand, reach down and grab his wrist. When you start feeling him tense up, walk straight forward and just let him go to the ground. When he gets on the ground, take your arms out and let him finish his ride until he's done. Renee, what's your last name?
Milan?
Who?
Milan?
Milan?
Yes.
M-I-L-A-N?
No, Milan. B-A-L-A-N-D.
Milan. Ready? Yeah, whenever you're ready. All right. Today is Tuesday, November the 16th, 2010. The time is 12:37 p.m. This is going to be a voluntary taser exposure of Renee Milan with Global Priority Security. Renee, you got any questions before we go through this?
I hope not.
I didn't hear you.
No.
Down. Lay him down. Let him down. Let him down. Let him go.
Oh, God!
Off and done.
Oh, my God!
All right. Look over here.
Oh,
Okay, you're on camera right now. How'd that feel?
shit!
Oh, look over here, you big old sissy boy.
Yeah.
Do a push-up for me.
Really?
Yeah, really. Do a push-up. Okay? Go ahead and stand all the way up. All right. You ever been through pepper spray or anything like that?
Just a gas chamber, but
Gas chamber. How does this feel compared to the gas chamber?
a lot worse.
A lot worse? Okay, but when you came out of the gas chamber, were you able to control yourself or do anything?
Yeah.
You could? Okay. How do you feel right now?
Still like I got.
Do that jumping jack. Do it or I'm going to shoot you again.
Oh,
All right. You okay?
yeah, I'm good.
All right. Congratulations. Now, challenge your other corporals.
Y'all get up here now.
Go ahead, Monica, make stuff up.
Here you go.
Anybody else? Nobody else?